Hello everyone, welcome back to a video. Now I did upload a video for Monday, but when I looked back the footage was terrible and I ended up deleting it because it was just horrendous. The actual film quality was terrible. With that said, I am full of cold once again. My throat is absolutely on fire. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I sound awful. Right, I've got something really exciting. I haven't even opened it yet. I've got lots of things exciting actually, but I might do it in two parts because this one I definitely want to get up there. Like so, I'm just going to unravel this because it's in two parts and one bit has got my address on, so I'm just going to take this bit off. This comes super quick and I'll just, if I can get in it. I'm so excited guys, I'm so excited for this. It's been long awaited and I've been going on and on and on and on about it. So I'm going to make such a noise. Let me just grab. It's a big box. Woohoo! And I will. Sorry for the heavy breathing. I'm just going to take that out. Right, let me just get this up here and we can have a real good look. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. This is amazing. I'm only seeing a box right now, but got some little bits in there too. Dun, dun, dun. Let me get you up a bit. I have got move that out of the way, the Katie Barnes desk light. I'm so excited. I don't know if you've listened to my previous videos and I've been going on about the lighting and all this lot. I'm hoping this is going to be my game changer. So, beautiful box, obviously. It's an LED flexible desk lamp. She does two sorts, one with the clamp and one with a weighted base. I've gone for the weighted base because my desk is now a lot longer and I've got the two drawers either side of my desk, and the only way I can clamp it now is in front of me, which is getting in my way. So I decided on the clamp. No, I decided on the weighted base. Oh. If you're whatever country you're from, she also does an EU plug as well as sorry, a US plug as well. So she does deliver worldwide. We have got the manual. I've gone for a white as well. Most of my bits and bobs are white. So we have got the 24 watt power outage, so it's easy and fairly cheap to run. We've got 3,000 to 6,500 kilo, I was going to say kilowatts, but it's not. Okay, and I think that's more, I think that should say lumens, which is the power of the light. Yeah, input, output, blah, 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 blah. We've got a model number. Sorry, that's the clamp. Oh, it's all pretty much the same. So we've got installation. I think I probably, oh right, okay, so that's the installation for the clamp. Please tell me I haven't got a clamp. No, I've definitely got a base. Right, this is going to be pretty straightforward to set up. We don't need those instructions. The base is very weighted, which is, oh my god, very heavy. That is amazing. So it's not going to topple over or anything. That is super, super heavy. Well, comes with a screwdriver and the screws. Let's dump that. Let's bring this light over. This light that I've got at the moment is fine, but I don't get enough coverage on my desk. This is from the Daylight company, so I will sell that because I've not had it very long. My last Daylight one broke, or one of the lights just went, and I just decided to replace it. So let's get rid of that. So these come out like so and down. So we've got all the the on and off. It's not as long as I thought it was, actually. I thought it was a lot longer, but I don't care. Oh yeah, that's actually really good. I think the screws are for maybe for the clamp, if you've got the clamp. So that goes in there. Right, I'm not going to bore you with this because I need to get this off, so I'm just going to pause you for a second. I'll pop that down a minute, and I'm going to get it set up and then I can show you properly. So I've got it set up. This is the base. I just need to tidy that little wire up. There was 2 screws here, one at the back. Yeah, this is amazing. It's so bright. So you've got here so you can turn the top one off and just have the sides, or you can turn the sides off and just have the top one. And then you've got different levels of brightness, and then the difference. So you've got, I mean, that's the one I want, that one. It's made such a difference to my desk. Let me turn the sides on. Yeah, that is just awesome. I've got so much more coverage with the light now. You can't see what I'm doing. I'm not very good at holding my camera and filming at the same time. So easy to set up. This is just so sturdy. I am so happy, and finally I've got a decent light. So yeah, so and I like the fact that you can pull these sides down as well. It's going to be great for filming. Plus you can height adjust it as well. It's not in the way of your clients like my other one was. It just kept getting in the way and my filming was naff. So it's so darn exciting. Do you want to see what else I've got? Let me just put you back on the stand. So I also ordered the trick or treat box. They call it the Boo Box. If you spend over £60 at the moment, you get this free, and you get free delivery. Or you can sign up to their their subscription, not a subscription, it's, what do you call it, if you just sign up to their website, and they send you notifications and emails and stuff of different things, then you get 25% off. I use the 25% off, so this wasn't actually free. I could either had the 25% off or got this free, which is £35, but what's in it is worth £60. So I did email her and just double check that, so it doesn't work in conjunction with each other, which I'm happy about. That's fine. She was so quick at getting back to me. She seems really lovely. On top of that, I picked up the cuticle pusher. I'm dying to try this. It is so tiny. That is amazing. It's a nice fine bit. And then I picked up the Erin, my granddaughter's name, in a small. So again, that will prep the nail plate for application. Let's see what's in here. I do know what's in here. It does tell you what's in here. What a lovely box. I'm keeping this box. Love a good box. Oh, amazing, amazing, amazing. I haven't got one of these. This is grand. So that's going to clean off my bits before I put them in the Sonic cleaner. Oh, I've got loads. Oh, got a nice new cuticle pusher. Oh wow, that's very sharp. What bit is that to get off excess skin? That's off your plate. That's really good. Well, that's quite nice. It's tiny as well compared to what I'm used to. I like that it's black. And we've got two other bits. So we have an Oopsie bit. So this is great for cleaning down your sides if you've got a bit of gel that's seeped down the side walls, we can just easily clean that up. That's a great bit. And then you've got the 5-in-1 crosscut mini. That's tiny, but that's great. I like the small ones actually, especially when like I have got some clients who have very, very short nails. So that is going to be amazing. And we've got a short liner brush. What a fabulous box. Look at all this. That's cute. What a great box. And guys, all this is worth 60 quid and you can get it for £35. Let's have a look at this. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. It's flat there. Nice to hold. Ooh, I'll have to give that a try. If I like that, I might have to go and purchase the rest of them. That is the 01 liner. A short liner brush. So that is what you get in your boo box. So keeping that box, that is going to come in handy. So that is my Katie Barnes bits and pieces. Super excited. That's great, guys. Yeah, this light is amazing. I can't wait to have a look at the video footage back and see what difference it's made to this video in particular. But I am going to do a video of me doing some nails, probably on my Aliana hand, because I've got something else coming today. And I've also got another box down there to go through with you guys. So yes, I've spoilt myself. I've been down in the dumps, been poorly. Yeah, I just can't shift. Well, I was really poorly the 1 week and I'm sure it was COVID, that new strain of COVID, I'm convinced, because it really knocked me off my feet. And I was in bed for 3 days suffering. So with that said, then I felt better. Then I had my granddaughter on Saturday for a few hours while my daughter celebrated her partner's 30th, and yeah, I ended up with her cold again and a really terrible sore throat. It is like on fire. So I'm sucking Strepsils and things like that just to try and numb it a little bit. But yeah, I've been really down in the dumps. So I had my birthday, my 50th birthday, at the end of September, and I've been ill ever since. Is that telling me something or what? Who knows? But yeah, anyway, bit of a chit chat with you. I hope you liked this. Shall I tell you what I paid for it? Let me tell you what I paid for it. So the Erin cuticle bit, these are actually £12.99. With the discount it was £9.75. The fine bit cuticle pusher was £16.99 and I got £12.75. The light is £129.99 and I got it for £97.50. So I think that's an absolute bargain. And then I paid £35 for the boo box, which was what was in that here. So all in all, I paid £155, which I think is amazing. A really, really good price. And she also does a £10 Tuesday. So if you go onto the Katie Barnes website on a Tuesday, she's got lots of things for £10, and that varies every so often. Well, that varies week by week. So yes, so you can either have 25% off if you sign up, or spend over £60 and get a free boo box. Up to you. Don't have to. I'm just sharing it with you. Yeah, she's got loads of other stuff which I'm really. Oh, it's free shipping over £50, by the way. She's got some £10 drops, but yeah, sign up and get that 25% off because it is absolutely worth it. What I will say though is if you spend over the £60, the boo box automatically gets put into your basket. So if you use a discount code, and you won't get the boo box for free. So just so you know, to delete the boo box if that's what you want. But I think they may have I think they may have stopped selling the boo box now. I can't see it advertised. I'm just looking at her website and I can't see it advertised. So perhaps I just got that in time, maybe. But they do other boxes, so I think she's always got some like kind of. She does masterclasses as well. Yeah, a great website. So much. I think I want to try their scissors. Their curved scissors are £40. Oh, so this is the Precision Perfector Cuticle Pusher. Oh, and a gel. Oh, it's a gel detailing tool on the end. That's what it is. I was going to say it's super sharp, that is. Let me just read that. Versatile double-ended cuticle tool, made for nail professionals. It's curved and easy, slots into the cuticle, making pushing back effortlessly. The opposite end is for dotting and creating intricate nail art. There we go. There we go. Now I know what it's for. I was going to say it's super sharp. I don't think I want to, go around the cuticles with that, but it's a bit odd. But never mind. It's good. Right. I don't know where I was going with that. If you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Please do like and subscribe. I know a lot of you are watching and do not subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button. It's completely free. And if you want to see more videos like this, keep watching because I've got a couple more things as well that have turned up. I've got one more coming today, so I'll probably share that with you on Thursdays. I might do it differently. Who knows? I might do an extra one this week because I didn't have Monday's upload. So, yeah. Oh, thanks for watching, guys. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this light. Has it made a difference? I think it's made a great difference to my nail desk. I can see so much more light. I've just got to sort of figure it out where I actually want it now. Yeah, actually I think it's fine where it is, but guys, I'll see you all very soon in the next one. Take care, bye.